Want this?
I got your back.
Oh wow, next time.
From right here.
Baby girl, what you doing? Where your man? I just popped a Zan, 50,000 in Japan. I ain't do no plan, these red bottoms on no Vans. And she telling all her friends.
Or this? Keep watching.
Girl, you shining, girl, you fine, yeah, you fine, that's why you feel like diamond.
Attempting the loading TikTok thing, it wasn't hard, but it was kind all over the place. There are many videos in how to make loading TikTok. This is just my version, as well as the velocity for those who can't afford or don't want to pay for it on Video Star. So I made this TikTok a while ago, and the audio is from one of my favorite on my block edits. I'm editing the audio to match the TikTok. Okay, so to get the pause effect, just split the ending of the TikTok and he copied it, but you don't have to, and watch very closely at how I froze it. I also edited the audio. I added the loading thing later on. Okay, to make it easier for me, I edited the other clips that were gonna go after the loading thing in another project. Like I said, this was my first go at this, so bear with me. This part was a freestyle, but you can adjust it to whatever you want. Okay, so there are many ways to do the flash, but all I did was click the overlay option at the bottom, then click stock video at the top. Then just add the fade in or out animation. The link to that will be in the description box. So will the website. Make sure to choose MP4 and then go into Files and save it to your camera roll. Now at the bottom, scroll over until you see chroma key, which is green screen. Use the color picker and then change the intensity to high. Now I'm adding a filter. How to make a velocity edit. Click the speed option at the bottom. So this is basically easier way in my opinion to get the stop pause effect, but you could also just split it where you want and change the speed on the regular speed setting and add flashes that way. If you want a very simple tutorial, let me know. I'm now adding the audio. I did not like the way it flowed, so I used the sound from my first velocity. I slowed it down to match the length of the edit. So I played around with the sound, but you could just add it and speed it up or slow it down instead of doing what I'm doing if you're not that advanced yet. So after playing around for a while, I finally decided to just slow it down and trim some of it off at the end. The same with the audio, since I had copied the sound started over towards the end of the edit, which did not sound right, so I did eventually take the copied audio and kept the first copy of it. You can also just split the video where the clips change and add a flash transition. So I ended up changing the direction and speed of the white overlays, but it really doesn't matter. I just edit and fix stuff just because, but to keep it simple, just add the animation at the end and the animation speed. Now click the effect button and the bottom and scroll down to bling and choose in filter. This optional, you could just keep it the way it is, but I'm extra.